Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So in here we will do a podcast with one of the representative from 9th grade, and he will explain about EduFarm agenda. So Nafi, this is the representative of 9th grade. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, thank you very much for Fauzan. Okay, so I'm going to introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Nafi Nurmalika. Most of my friends call me Nafi, and I'm 15 years old and I'm from 9A class.
Okay, so before that, I forget to introduce myself. So myself is Fauzan Muhammad, mostly call me Fauzan, and I'm 15 years old and born in East Jakarta. So let's get into it. The first question is, what do you do in this EduFarm agenda? What is EduFarm?
Okay, so agenda is actually like we go to somewhere and then we learn about something. So at the time, I learned about chili.
Chili.
Yes.
Oh,
Like the type of chili, and then how to plant it, and then many else about chili, like that.
okay. So what did you feel after you do this agenda?
I felt uh, I felt so good because I got many experience from that agenda, like how to plan correctly, properly, and then how to know, and then knowing about type of chili. At the time, I didn't know at all about chili, like what the type of this chili, and then because I joined EduFarm agenda. From that, I could know what the meaning of chili, like.
So this agenda is fun.
Yeah,
It's fun.
It was
Oh.
fun. It was fun. EduFarm agenda. I really feel so fun in that agenda.
Okay, so with who you do this agenda? Are you alone or with your friends or with who actually?
Okay, so I joined this agenda. I wasn't alone at the time. I'm with my friends. So this agenda is only for all 9th grade students, include me. So
24 students.
yeah, 24 students. And also there was a teacher that accompanied 9th grade to guide all the 9th grade students, like that.
And then who is the teacher that teach you how to plan, the explaining about chili and more?
Okay, so there were two teachers at the time, Ustaz Subhan and Ustaz Ahmad. And at the time, there was also Kak Gifar that joined the agenda, but I think Kak Gifar was late at the time.
I'm sorry. I mean the teacher that teach you how to plan, the explaining about chili. The person, maybe the owner of the field, the farm.
I forgot the name.
You forget the name.
I forget the name, but the person that teach 9th grade students about chili is the owner of there. So there was a big farm in there, and he is the owner of that farm, like that.
I think before it's like only a common farmer that work in the farm, but it's the owner of the
Yeah.
farm. Oh, okay. So, is he so professional at chili or farming?
Of course. So the teacher, long time ago, he was. He ever learned about farmer, so he know all about the farmer, like how to plant correctly, because his major at the time is about planning, right?
Is he working alone on his own farm or with other people?
I don't know for sure actually. I think he has team,
Team.
not alone. With the
I
big
see.
farm, I don't think so. If he only alone.
He can handle it, right?
Yeah.
He cannot handle it. So is he only have one big farm or he have another farm?
Uh, I forget to tell something. The first at the time, I was becoming a cameraman, so I didn't know more about the teacher, about more the teacher, like where is he from, and then what is his major, and many else. So I heard only some of thing from him. So yeah, maybe like that.
So before you say that you become cameraman, so for what you become cameraman? Is that task from school? And then if it's task, can you explain it?
Okay, actually, there was a competition.
Competition.
Yeah,
Oh.
from that agenda. So we need to make a group. So each group need to have one phone to make video cinematic. And at the time, I am the person in charge in my team to handle the phone and then record all the activities
Oh, I see.
like that. And then I use my phone for recording.
And then where is the farm is located? Is that around Aiden or far?
I
The
think
location.
still in Aiden, around Aiden.
Around
the,
Aiden.
The specific location is in Gunung Bunder.
Gunung Bunder.
Yeah.
And then you go there with what? I mean, walking or using transportation?
I use transportation. We call it as angkot. So at the time, from Aiden school, rent around 2 angkot. Yeah,
2 angkot.
around 2 angkot. And then, yeah, rent 2 angkot. So there's a half in the first angkot and half again
I
in second angkot.
Okay, before you said there are so many teams, right? And
Yeah.
then get tasked to get edit the video. Actually, how many teams are they? And
Okay.
then one team they include how many people?
Wait, let me think. I kind of forget how many people. Maybe around seven or 8. Every
team.
Every team has 8 people.
Before there's 24 students, so it will be 3 teams.
Yeah, I think so.
3 teams, okay. Okay, so can you explain how to plant the chili till it get till it can cook by ourselves?
Okay, so the first thing, like usual, you need to put the the seed
The seeds, yeah.
to the dirt, and then we need to watering, and then we need to wait around 1 month, and after that we can take the chili like that, and then we can cook it.
Oh, very simple.
Yeah, really simple.
Yeah, okay. So before you say that there is type of chili, right? And then what is the type of the chili? Can you explain that?
Okay, so the type of the chili. As I said before, at the time I was cameraman, I didn't know about more chili, so I just heard some understanding from my friends like that.
Oh, I see. And then what time you go there and then till you go back, what time?
Okay, so the time I went to the place after Zuhur and till before Asar around 2:30 maybe.
2:30.
Yes, and then we go back to the IDN around 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. So the total is around 3 hours, yeah?
Yeah.
Or 4 hours. 3 hours, 4 hours.
3 hours and 4 hours.
I see. And then, what is the job desk of cameraman? Is that only recording or include anything?
Okay, so as we know, cameraman, like, we need to record all the activities start from IDN, and from IDN we need to record our team, and then also when we are going to the place, like in Angkot, we need to record all. We need to record the route, maybe, or maybe
The road.
record our friends when we are in the Angkot, like that. And after that, after we arrive to the place, we also need to record when we are arriving to the place, like what we do after arriving to the place, and then the, you know, when student go to the when you go to the place, and then we need to record it, and then after that, after we record all, we need to edit it as well.
Oh.
At the time I edit the video after the agenda tomorrow, and then I need to edit it. At the time after Asar till 5 o'clock, and continue again after Isha until 9 o'clock or under 9 o'clock, I forget.
So you edit your video by yourself or with your friends?
Okay, at the time I edit my video by myself, because yeah,
By yourself.
the one who knows the video, the idea is from me, so I edit it by myself alone, like that.
Is there prize for that task, for that competition? Because it's competition, right?
Yeah.
So there should be a prize, right?
For the prize, of course, there will be the prize that will be given to the winner. But so far, from the organizer hasn't tell yet the winner.
The winner hasn't done it.
I don't know who's the winner, who will be the winner. I don't know.
And then, when is the agenda? I mean, the date and then the day.
Okay. The day on Friday.
The day
So,
on
yeah,
Friday.
On Friday after praying
Jumat.
praying Jumat,
Yeah.
and then the date, I forget the date, but
Date.
I only know the day. The day is on Friday, like that.
It's like 1 week ago or 2 weeks ago or maybe 1 month ago.
1 week ago.
1 week ago.
Yeah.
So it's around 7 days ago.
Yeah,
But till now there's no the prize for the winner.
yeah. I haven't know who's the winner. I don't know.
And then haven't get announced the winner.
Haven't get announced as well.
Okay, so why actually IDN student do this EduFarm agenda? What is the purpose of the agenda? Why
Okay.
they do this agenda?
So, yeah, of course, the purpose of this agenda is for make our knowledge more, like, yeah, you know,
Like improving
yeah,
knowledge.
yeah, like improving knowledge. We can know more, not only in IT, but also in environment, like that.
So that's the unique from IDN.
Yeah,
You're
that-
not only expert on IT, but expert on other things, right?
Yeah, like other things, like this, EduFarm.
EduFarm.
And then also our communication with each other. So we also need to ask something to the teacher, so from that we can know that we don't know. So because we asking about that, and then we can know the knowledge.
Okay, yeah, I think that's all the question that I can ask to you.
Yes.
Thank you for explaining and become the representative from 9th grade. Okay,
You're welcome.
I am Fauzan Muhammad.
And I'm Nafi.
Thank
I'm
you.
Muhammad Nafi Nurmalika.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.